Hello everyone, welcome back to episode 4 of After Effects Beginner series. Do you know what exactly a composition is? Don't worry, it's actually much simpler than it sounds. And by the end of this video, you will understand what is composition, why it is so important, how professionals use multiple compositions and how to create one in just a few clicks. So without wasting a minute, let's get started. First, we will talk about what is a composition. Imagine you are making a movie. Before adding actors, music, animations or text, you first need an empty stage. That's exactly what a composition is. Think of it as an empty canvas where everything comes together. Every video, every animation, every text, every image gets placed inside a composition. Without a composition, there is literally nowhere to build your project. Creating your first composition. Creating one is super easy. Now, click the New Composition button or go to Composition. Then click on New Composition from the top menu. A settings window will appear. As a beginner, you only need to focus on 4 things named resolution, frame rate, duration. Let's quickly understand each one. Name. Give your composition a meaningful name. Instead of comp 1, try something like intro, main scene, outro. Now let's talk about resolution. This decides the size of your video. For YouTube, 1920 into 1080 Full HD is the standard, so unless you are creating something specific, stick with this. Frame rate determines how smooth your animation looks. Common options are 24 fps, 30 fps depending on your region and project. Choose the appropriate ones. Duration. This is simply how long your composition will be. Need a 10-second intro? Set it to 10 seconds. Need a 1-minute animation? Increase the duration accordingly. Once everything looks good, click on OK. And congratulations, you have just created your first composition. What happens next? Notice 2 things appear immediately. Every item you import becomes a layer inside your timeline. Now, why do professionals use multiple composition? Here is where beginners usually get confused. Like, imagine editing a 15-minute video with 300 layers, animations, effects, text, transitions, everything inside one timeline. That's why professionals divide projects into multiple compositions. It keeps everything organized and much easier to edit and understand. Composition tabs. Here is another useful feature. Need to return to the main project? Click the main composition tab. Want to edit a smaller section? Open that composition. Simple. Editing an existing composition. Made a mistake? No problem. You can always change it. You can always change name, duration, frame rate, resolution. Just right click the composition. Choose composition setting. Make your changes and click on OK. Finally, every new composition automatically appears in the project panel. Now that you understand how compositions work, you are ready to start building real projects in After Effects. In the next lesson, we will explore the project panel and learn how all files are organized before editing. So make sure you don't miss it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, bye-bye.